guys, it's India. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a crochet braid video. Girl, we are back with the crochet braid hairstyles. So I am starting off on freshly washed, deep conditioned, detangled hair, blow dried and everything. Here is my braiding pattern. I have 14 cornrows going straight back. I did crisscross the middle because I was unsure if I was gonna make a middle part or not, but I decided not to. So you definitely don't have to do that, completely up to you. You guys can see, of course, we are using the beater once again today, and I am just taking this last braid. I braid my cornrows one into the other, so at the end I'm just left with one braid. So I just use the beater and just kind of put it in different places in the cornrow and just, you know, lock it up in there. You can also sew it if you want to, but this works totally fine. I've never had any problems with it coming out. Today's hair is going to be the Freetress Summer Deep in 18 inches in the color 1B. If you guys are not new to my channel, then you may realize that I have already reviewed this hair. The last time I wore this hair, I wore it in red, and it was about 2 years ago. I will try to remember to link that video down below for you guys. If I forget, it is on the Crochet Braid playlist. You guys can check that out. So I love the hair when I wore it that time, and because I'm going to a specific event, I wanted to make sure that I wore something that I had worn before and I wasn't trying anything new. So you guys can see the hair here. It is a silkier texture, and so now we're getting ready to install. So if you guys have been keeping up with my crochet braid videos, you know that I've been installing my hair this way for a while now. So all I did was take the beater and move it forward so that I don't have that knot in the front. So this is in real time. I tried to do it like kind of slow so you guys can see exactly how to do this. It's very easy as long as you put the beater, you know, going forward. You'll pull just one piece of hair through, and then you're just gonna take this piece that's at the back of your cornrow and you're just gonna loop it about 3 times and then pull it tight. Just pull the knot super tight, and then you're going to pull it kind of into your braid if you can. If you can't, sometimes the knot is a little too big and it won't slide into the cornrow. I'm going to show you guys how you're going to be able to like lock it in place in just a moment. So once again, you guys can see how you do it. You just take the beater, pull it forward, pull one piece of the hair through, and then knot the hair about 3 times. You want to do it at least 3 times because this hair is on the silkier side. You guys can see I go ahead and I do the whole front first. So this is what it looks like. And this area in the front that are the 2 twists is just a little bit of leave out. You guys can see how the hair is looking here. It's super pretty, super soft. And now I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to do kind of like an invisible part in this area. So take the beater, you put it to one side, and then when you get your loop, you just want to take one part of the hair. So instead of pulling both pieces through to knot, you're just going to pull through one. So that way when you flip it to the other side, there is no knot. You want to take the beater and put it under the cornrow for this. Don't put it into the braid, put it under. And then you're just going to do the same thing. Pull the hair through, and then instead of pulling both pieces through, you're just going to pull one. And with all of the hair, I did knot it at least 3 times. Some of them I did 4. Some pieces I might have done 5 times, girl. But at least 3 times because, like I said, this hair is silky. And then you'll just pull it. And then, of course, like I'm showing you guys here, when you flip it to the other side, there is no knot. So right here, I'm showing you guys this knot right here. This knot right here is from when we did the beater to the front. This is the knot for that part. So as you guys can see, I put the beater into the knot and then I put it into the cornrow. So now when I put this new piece of hair right here, which is I'm just gonna knot this on like regular crochet. So I'm gonna pull it through the cornrow, pull it through that knot, and then I'm gonna loop it about 3 to 4 times, both pieces, and then pull it through. So you guys can see I'm opening the loop right here. I'm taking both pieces of the hair and then I'm just pulling it through. about 3 times. You guys can see how easy it is to knot on. So now once you do this and you pull it tight, that knot is secure, and so you can see like the front part is not gonna go anywhere. So you should not have any problems with it sliding out. And this is just an example of how you just do a regular crochet knot. So like I said, knot it about 3 times, pull it tight, and super duper easy. So now I am completely done with the style. So you guys can see I used probably about 3 different methods for installing this hair. And this is what it looks like when I'm completely done. I believe I used a full 3 bags of hair. I definitely could have spaced it out just a little bit more. You guys know I normally do like 1.5-ish to like 2 finger widths apart, especially in the back, not so much at the top. Like in the front, you can probably fill it in a little more, but in the back, I do like to do about like 1.5 to 2 finger widths apart. So I definitely didn't space it out as good as I usually do, which is why I used so much hair. But if you buy 3 bags, that will definitely be enough. So I'm just taking this hair and moving it out of my way. This is just a little bit of leave out that I have in the front. This part is totally optional. You do not have to do this. With the seamless method that you have in the front, you can definitely kind of like tease it a little bit and make it look, you know, just a little bit more natural. But I've been doing this like small amount of leave out with my last few crochet braid styles, and I like the way that it looks. I did end up applying heat to my leave out. I did not show it to you guys because initially I did like water and gel, and then I was like, no, I don't like this, and I ended up letting it dry and then going over it with a flat iron. So it's totally up to you if you want to use heat or not. Now this is the Cantu coil detangling spray. You can use this straight out of the bottle, or you can dilute it with put some in another spray bottle and add a little bit of water, just because the product is super thick. But I love to put this on my crochet braid hairstyles. It smells really good, and it's really easy to help me to just glide my fingers through the crochet. So you guys can see I'm spraying it pretty heavily here, and then I'm just kind of like detangling it, and you guys will be able to see how much hair I've pulled out. You can just throw that out and then go ahead and twist your hair up. So this is literally day 1. Like I just did this install and now I'm twisting up my hair. So I'm doing smaller twists today. I probably ended up with about like 7 or 8 twists, and then I went ahead and put my scarf on, and then that was it. Make sure that you twist your hair up every night, girl, and you can use this product as often as you want. I probably go through and detangle my hair and, you know, like pull it out like once a week. So this is the final result, you guys. I feel like it came out super duper cute. If you guys love my makeup, my outfit, my little butterflies on the side, I did do a get ready with me on my other channel. I do have 2 channels, you guys, so definitely be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my lifestyle channel for all my lifestyle content, vlogs, etc. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything about this style, be sure you leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out so your post notifications on. Give the video a thumbs up, girl, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.